Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Albany, New York. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pet-friendly, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms and facilities for disabled guests. This Albany motel is within 2 miles of the Egg Performing Arts Center, and offers wireless internet access. The Motel 6 Albany features a coin-operated laundry facility, and free local calls. Each guest room at this Albany hotel offers cable TV and a spacious bathroom with amenities. This pet-friendly Albany hotel is also within walking distance of many local dining options and public transportation. The Motel 6 Albany is just 4 miles from Crossgate Mall. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.